Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys where you can find all of the Tidal as well as the whale furnitures in Heartopia from the Call of Whales Fashionwave event. So you actually have to craft them. As you can see, you get the Tidal furnitures from the rewards here, like the chair, the study desk, etc. You also get some whale furniture items from leveling up in the exploration thingy. I still don't know what it's called. The whale fall exploration. But if you scroll down, you will see all of it. So we have the whale trash can, whale bed, whale tea table, chair. Then if you scroll down even more, you will see the title one, the ergonomic chair, bench, study desk, seashell light, wall lamp. I really need to build these. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. Again, you will need the pearl oyster material pack. You can, I think, purchase them, I believe, here in rare collectibles using moonlight crystals, but I suggest you just getting it from the quests and events and stuff like that. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.